Hello, how you doing? Piping hot, as you can see, straight from the wok. We're going to do some amazing deluxe type chicken vegetable fried rice. Really easy. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. So let's take a look at what we have here. Before I get started, just to let you know that all of the amounts of the ingredients will be below in the text. So rice, I've got some cooked basmati rice with fried rice. Always use cold rice. Hot and warm rice doesn't work out so well, so make sure it's cold. Essentials, so we're going to need onion, chicken. My chicken is no skin, no bone, breast chicken, and I've cut it into nice thin strips. Garlic and ginger. They're the essentials. The other vegetables you use are up to you. I'm using some white cabbage, bell peppers, mushrooms, zucchini or courgette, whatever you call them, carrots, some baby corn, some sugar snaps or mange too, and here I've got some pak choi or bak choi or any type of Chinese leaf that you like. We're going to start this off with some oil. We're going to add some salt and pepper, a couple of other things, including some eggs. Let's get to the cooker. So, frying pan or wok, touch of oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You can use something different if you want. Get it nice and hot, high heat all the way here. Let's add our onions. To that I'm going to add my garlic and ginger. And I'll see you in 2 minutes. Okay, we're now going to add in our chicken. Like I said, I'm using chicken breast with no skin and no bone, and cut it nice and thin. Staying on this high heat. Again, I'll see you in about 3 minutes. Okay, let's get some vegetables in there. There's my baby corn and my mange too. My carrots and zucchini. Cut really nice and thin. I don't know if you can see that. Super nice and thin. My bell peppers. My white cabbage. 3 minutes, high heat, keep it moving. I'm now going to go in with my mushrooms and my bak choy or pak choy. And I'm going to continue cooking for 3 more minutes. I'm now going to add some salt, black pepper, and now time for the rice. Cold, cooked rice. Let's get that in there, and let's go now for about 4 to 5 minutes. Fantastic. Now, as you can see, I've pushed all of our rice to one side. I'm now going to drop in a little tiny amount of oil, and this time I'm using a sesame oil, nice nutty flavour. And I've got some eggs here, which I'm going to drop in. I'm going to cook these, and I like mine fairly well done. Back in a moment. Okay, I'm happy there. So we need to get this all mixed into the other ingredients. Back in 2 to 3 minutes now. Keep it moving. Okay, off goes the heat. In goes some spring onions, green onions or scallions, whatever you call them. If you wanted some fresh chili, if you want a little bit of soy sauce even would work. I'm going with this nice and dry. Think about some chopped fresh cilantro in there, but for me, that's it. Super happy with that. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.